Hi, and welcome to JobPro's Quick Job Entry tutorial. The Quick Job Entry is a unique feature in JobPro. It allows you to look at and edit numbers for a bid without going into the bid worksheet. Here's how it works. Go to the Entry dropdown here and select Quick Job Entry. Now we're on the Quick Job Entry screen. This screen has all your organization's items in it. At the top, you can add the job name. You can add the job location, add specifications, and even use tax and the sales tax if you need to. On the right-hand side, we can create a new customer or add an existing customer. For our example, we'll add an existing customer. Simply click the magnifying glass, type in the company name, and select. We can also choose a contact as well. Once you've done those, you can assign it to a salesperson. Remember, the salesperson can be changed later. Once you have all that information keyed in, you're ready to start adding to your job. The reason why there are selected items on the right-hand side is because we have a template that's set up to be used on the Quick Job Entry. We'll clear those by selecting the X. Now we can select the items from the right-hand side, and then add the quantities. You also have the ability to make edits to this price box. So this is going to create your unit cost. Once we change the price, it will reflect in the total. So if we want to make 0.95, our total changes. We can go through and say we're going to give them a discount of $500. Our total changes. We can even make that a negative number to reflect negative $500. Once all your information is plugged in, on the bottom right, we have three options. We can submit a bid. That will just create the bid. We can submit a job. That will create the bid and the job. Or we can submit a job and invoice. That will create all three: an invoice, a job, and a bid. Pretty simple, right? Once we've submitted the job, it will redirect us to the job page. As you can see at the top, we have a job, a bid, and even a data sheet. The bid status is updated to accepted, and it gives us the billable amount as well. That covers everything for the Quick Job Entry. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 704-584-4019 or send an email to support@jobprotech.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.